Well, another tough one, Mickey. It's getting hard. It's getting really hard. It's hard on the coaches. It's hard on the players. Played an okay first half, not great, but this was a game that we had. It was in our palm of our hands once again. But the second half for Richmond, and I give them a lot of credit, was much better for them. They turned us over 10 times in the second half. Their freshmen, number 2 and number 4, really got going, and we got nothing out of our post play tonight. Absolutely nothing. We had nothing in the low post outside of Olivia Jakubisek. I thought Olivia and Haley were the 2 players that showed up to play today to compete, and that's simply not enough. We had poor decisions on our guard court, poor shooting, poor time management, and it's just frustrating. We needed big stops. We didn't get them, and we shot poorly from the free throw line. So you couple all these things together, it's going to be hard to win unless you have a 20-point lead maybe at halftime, but that maybe not be enough against a team like Richmond. They're well coached. Their kids stepped up to the plate. They got the ball inside the 34. They found shooters on the outside, and we couldn't get anything going. In foul trouble, both Sadie and Denisha having 4 fouls really put a lot of pressure on Olivia, who was banged up and fought and tore and just gave outstanding effort. If our whole team could play like Olivia, we'd be in a lot better shape. But we have to go back to work. There's more season to play. There's more games to play. We let another one get away, and we've got to fuel our fire here and try to get our first one on Saturday.